Oh my gosh, Brittany.
Yeah, but you were thinking it.
I know, but you said it.
Hey, it's Britt and Tiff again. It's that time of week, it's vlog day. We were gonna go to Starbucks again, but that would be like the 6th time, so we're at Flowing Well Park, where water flows 15 gallons per minute, not Starbucks. Here are a few maps of the park so you don't get lost like we did.
Oh my gosh. There's a lot of mud here. Dude, look at all the trees. There's so many.
They all look the same.
Ew. Why are we still here?
I don't know.
Ew, look, there's poop. Brittany!
Ew.
Oh,
Get out of my white Converse. Ew.
Ew, mud. Ew, why did we come here?
I don't know. I want to go home. I want to go to Starbucks.
Oh, it's so cold. I mean, I guess there's some bushes and some trees and stuff and dead leaves.
It's so dreadful.
Nature's just so gross.
So sad. Why do people like this?
Do you think there's any birds here? Don't be stupid, of course.
But don't they like fly south for the winter?
No, just listen. Hush.
See, Britt, they're all over the place.
Birdie. There's one. Where are the squirrels?
Brittany, have you even seen a bird before?
Maybe, I don't know. I don't look like birds.
Where did it go? Ew!
Ew, mud.
I just saw one, I think. There's like a nest up there. Maybe they went there.
Birds attack?
I don't know.
What if it attacks
Maybe they
us?
only attack poor people.
Lucky we're not poor.
Why do people even come here? All there is to do is run in the mud, catch some stinky fish, or play in the gross water and get it all over your designer clothes and ruin them.
Or I guess you can picnic or birdwatch. Or even get water from the fountain, but who wants to drink groundwater? Avoid touching the water spigots with your hands, containers, or other objects.
Okay, that's pretty reasonable. Refrain from drinking water directly from spigot.
Wait, do people really do that?
Ew.
Waiting, standing, or entrance inside the pit is prohibited.
Why would you do that? Like, that doesn't even... No.
Pets are not permitted inside the well house.
That means a cute baby.
Aww.
No baby.
Disinfection of groundwater is recommended before consuming water. I told you it's not sanitary.
This is why we don't go... Oh.
No, nature, no.
So I guess you can come whenever because it doesn't really say, but who knows?
Well, this is Brett and Tiff signing off.
I'm so done with nature. Let's go back to Starbucks.
Keep it classy, Indy.